and because of the atmosphere of grace surrounding us, it is already true for all people, at all times, and in all circumstances, you are loved beyond measure. When beliefs become biology. At pag sinabing biology, ano yun? Study of life. Yung biology, yung physiology, pag yung katotohanan, hindi na lang siya idea, but it becomes a part of your whole system as a human being. Kasi akala natin, yung belief, konsepto lang siya, o kaya idea lang siya, but the only way for lasting change and healing to happen is when your beliefs truly become part of your biology. Paano yon? Two mind-blowing truth. You have a wholly complete, immeasurable, and absolutely undiminishable value. Ito lagi natin maririnig, lagi natin marireview, lagi natin marirehearse, lagi natin matatalakay. Kasi this is very basic. Kaya nga meron tayong who you are in truth. And what is who you are in truth? Meron kang halaga, meron kang dignidad, meron kang importansya, meron kang essence, meron kang likas na kung alam mo lang, it is absolutely holy, complete. But people don't even know about that. So what is mind-blowing truth number 2? Ready, go? You are completely immersed in, surrounded with, upheld, and sustained by God's atmosphere of grace as real as the air that encircles the world. May nakapaikot bang hangin ngayon sa buong mundo? May nakapaikot bang hangin ngayon sa iyo? Meron. Kaya ito matindi. Ang nakapaikot ngayon sa iyo, hindi lang hangin, kundi yung walang hanggang biyaya ng Diyos. Iniisip mo ba yung hangin pagising mo kanina? Hindi. Pero nakapaikot sa iyo. Yes, ano? Meron ka bang ginawang hindi mo may pagmamalaki last week? Meron. Iniwan ka ba ng hangin? Hindi, di ba? Ang hangin, lagi siyang nandyan. Tumakbo ka, napakabilis. Maiiwan mo ang hangin. Hindi. Hindi man mas mabait ang hangin sa Diyos. Kahit hindi mo iniisip ang Diyos, iniisip ka nila. May ginawa kang hindi mo may pagmalaki last week, nakapaikot pa rin siya sa iyo lagi. At all times and in all circumstances, God is surrounding you. That is the mind-blowing truth number 2, which actually, when you put these two together, they are the basis of a life in overflow. Kapag ipuput together natin yan, yung lahat ng ating pangangailangan as human beings, okay, which is to be loved and accepted, valued and validated, safeguarded and protected, have always been what? Abundantly supplied. Yung pinakamalalim nating pangangailangan, to be loved, to be valued, and to be safe. Whether we know it or not, parang hangin, Parang hangin, yan ay matagal nang ipinagkaloob, tuloy-tuluyang ipinagkakaloob, at hindi kailanman titigil na ipagkakaloob ng Diyos. So parang yung isda, laging nakapaligid sa kanya ang dagat. Hindi man alam nung isda na nakapaligid sa kanya ang dagat, pero laging nakapaligid sa kanya ang dagat. So what are we saying? Lahat ng kailangan natin, because of how God made you, and because of the atmosphere of grace surrounding us, it is already true for all people, at all times, and in all circumstances. You are loved beyond measure. And you are valued beyond compare. Kaya lang ganito. Pag nasa tiyan ka pa ng nanay mo, hindi mo yun alam. Habang maliit ka pa, hindi mo yun alam. At pwedeng malaki ka na, hindi mo pa rin alam. Okay? Na meron palang ganung katotohanan na kamangha-mangha, but you are not enjoying it. So, tayo man ang may pinakamasamang magulang sa buong mundo, hindi nawawala ang katotohanan na you are loved, you are valued, and you are safeguarded.